how to journal in Notion. So first go to Notion and then just open up your account here, and then next just click on the plus icon here beside the private, and then click on templates at the bottom. Now here let's just type in journal, since we're going to need to make a journal first to begin journaling here. So just choose any of the journals here, click any of the templates, then click on one, and then click on add again, or add, since I've already added here as well before. And then there you go, you'll see your journal here at the left side. Click on it, and then you will see here you can see your entries here, the calendar, daily entries, and personal entries as well. So if you want to add a new view, you can just click on the plus here and then just select what kind of view here. Okay, so if you want to add entries, click on add new page here at the bottom, and then let's say I'm going to add in monthly say reflection, and then you can just click on add tags here, add your tag. Okay, there you go. Now if you want to open it in SidePeek, just click on edit here, then click on open in SidePeek, and then you can begin adding properties, tags, comments here as well, as you can see. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.